Dear customer, so we have seen how to register in RX Live application in part 1 of the video. Now in this part 2 we will see how to use the RX Live application. I will log in to the application with my mobile number. So after typing the mobile number I will press on sign in and I'm in. Cool. Now I want to place an order with the medicine I want, so I will type the name of the medicine I require, and as soon as I got the medicine in the list I can click on the cart button. So you can see where there is one item in the cart. You can see on the top right corner. If you want to increase quantity, you can click on plus. If you want to decrease the quantity, you click on minus. And if you want to cancel, click minus again, so it will go out of the cart. Now I will add one product into the cart. Then if I want to send a prescriptions photo, then I click on upload, and I can use camera and gallery as well. I will use camera. Will take a photograph of my prescription or medicine I want. I will select, and cool, it's here. So I can select the store after that process, and product chemist shops in front of me. I can select the medicine store and place order. So there is option to get the medicines delivery and pick up. So if I'm going to pick up the medicine from the store, I will select pick up, or I will select delivery if I want delivery of the medicine at my home. For whom you are ordering, that also is being seen. If you want to change address, you can click on change address and add new address if required. Going back. Then if I want to give some message or put in some remarks, then I can write here that send it by evening. So this message will be going along with your order. Now I'm clicking on submit order. So that's it. It's going to place the order. Cool. It's the order number. I have placed the order successfully. I can view the order I have placed. I can click on that order and I can see the things well. So whatever remarks I wrote, it is being seen. Whether the order is seen by the pharmacy shop or not, that all details are there. What items I ordered, that is also being seen. The prescription photo also at the bottom. Due to internet speed, it's not showing, but it will be there. So this is how you can place the order. And if you want to reorder the same prescription and items, you can select top right corner reorder button, and you can reorder the medicines very easily. So that's it about how to place order. Thank you very much. Use this application, and if in case of any query you have, you can contact us on 898-0000-151 and write us on rxlive@prom.in. For more help, you can contact to your nearest pharmacy store, even to whom you have placed order. Thank you very much.